Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore custom shape paper note sticker in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool, choose a note or paper shape, draw the shape in the center, change its fill color to yellow. Duplicate the shape and also move duplicate slightly downward. Now change its color to darker shade. Add text on the top shade using type tool. Adjust line spacing manually or naturally. Rotate the node slightly for realism. Double click top shade layer. Add subtle drop shadow. Then press OK. Also check zoom out and preview. Check each and everything of the project. Sticky note looks natural. Your design is ready in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.